Hi, I'm Kirsty. I'm the STEM Engagement Manager here at Success For All. We think that the best way to learn about science and STEM subjects is to experience it for yourself. Especially when you're a child, but for any person, when you feel like you've figured something out for yourself, that really makes it stick in your mind and it's particularly memorable. And it's a really exciting and engaging way to learn about something. But we realise that as a primary school, it can be really hard to find the time and resources to be able to put on a practical experiment, something with lots of resources, something that you'd have to research and might not be your area of expertise. A STEM challenge is a series of practical, engaging, hands-on workshops that we can deliver with your pupils. And the STEM challenges are around a particular topic that's linked to the curriculum, but's also linked to something that's actually happening here in the North East, maybe some research that a university is working on, maybe a problem that STEM industries have to face. We have two different types of STEM challenges, one for Key Stage 1 pupils and one for Key Stage 2 pupils. For Key Stage 1 pupils, it's a series of 3 45-minute workshops, usually done across 3 weeks. And for Key Stage 2 pupils, it's a series of 6 activities, which includes 5 workshops, usually about an hour and a half long, and a trip at the end to go and see what we've been learning about in action. The reason that the STEM challenge is a series of workshops and not a one-off workshop is that we find that during the first activity and the first time that we come into a school, the children are often just really excited to have somebody else in their class and really excited to do that hands-on activity, but they don't often think that much about exactly what we're doing. And it's actually through those repeated sessions that we really develop the children's skills, and they get used to us and the project, and it's by week 3, week 4, week 5 where we're really getting the outcomes. The children are really understanding the problems that the people in STEM industries face and are really starting to get grips of the experiments, and that's where they really start to lead those experiments themselves. One of my favourite things about STEM Challenge is when we take a class of Key Stage 2 pupils on the trip and we're seeing people in their STEM jobs solving an actual problem, and what we find is the children start to realise that some of the problems that these people are facing in their jobs is exactly the same thing that they did in their project as well, and that moment is just really exciting and really amazing. We hope the STEM challenge will be really engaging, inspiring and a really exciting way to learn about science and a bit of science in the curriculum, as well as linking it to real life and actual STEM careers and things that are happening here in the North East. And for you as a school and a teacher, we try to bring everything along with us and make it as easy as possible for you. To register, all you need to do is send me an email. But basically it's just a conversation between your school and me to arrange the project.